Hey, in today's tech tip video, we are going to be making a Metamask wallet, otherwise known as a hot wallet, which is a browser extension on Chrome. This is step number 4 in your crypto journey if you're following along. So let's go ahead and get to it right now. I'm going to go into Google and I'm going to type Metamask wallet. That's going to take me to the correct spot. Make sure you look for metamask.io. Don't click on any other links, and we're going to go ahead and go download this for Chrome. What that is going to do is it's going to take me to the extension store. We're going to add it to Chrome since this is an extension. Blah, blah, blah. We're going to add the extension. As soon as that adds, this pops up right here. We're going to go ahead and go, I agree, and we're going to go create a new wallet. We're never going to share our key, blardy, blardy, going to give access to all this stuff. And here's where we create a password. This is what we're going to use every time we log into the wallet. This is not your secret passphrase. So I'm going to go ahead and type this in now. Okay, so this video will talk a little bit about your seed phrase and how important it is. We're going to go secure it right now. This is what you do not want to share with anybody. We're going to make sure nobody is looking. We are not going to screenshot this. We are not going to take a picture of it because that can be stored on your phone. We are going to go ahead and manually write this thing down. For such things, I have actually gotten a sales order book from the old Walmart. What this does is this allows me to write passphrases down in triplicate. So when I write it once, it actually makes carbon copies. So I have 3 copies right away of this passphrase because my hand gets cramped when I write too many words down. So I'm going to go ahead and click the next step. It's going to reveal my passphrase here. I'm going to write these words down here. All right, I've written all these words down. Now we can go to the next step. Now what it's going to want you to do is fill in these 3 words just to test to make sure you wrote them down. So this will not light up unless you have those words correctly typed in there. I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm since I typed them in. Got it. Now we have our wallet created. We are going to hit the next step here. And what this is going to allow us to do is we're going to add the extension up in the top of our Chrome browser. Okay. This is the whole profile page, but we're going to go up here and we are going to go extensions, manage extensions. And we're going to go ahead and check mark, uncheck mark that. And we are going to make sure this thing is added in our Chrome browser here. And we're going to pin it right now, so that I can always have access to this Metamask extension nice and easy. Okay, so now that we have our wallet made, we can go ahead and open this up. It's going to make you enter the password in that you entered in for the first step here. I'm going to enter that in, and this will just kind of walk you through a tutorial, but we're not going to go through that right now on all the kind of things that you can do in your wallet. We have 0 Ethereum, but here is my brand new Metamask account. This account is ready to accept Ethereum, anything else Ethereum-based. And if we want to switch the network here, we can go ahead and add a network. And that's going to allow us to add the BNB chain, which we'll add right here. We're going to go ahead and dismiss that because we don't want to switch to the BNB chain right now. We can go add another network, which I'm going to add the Polygon chain. So we have a couple of the main chains added. Now, keep in mind, you don't actually need to add those chains to be able to accept those tokens into your Metamask wallet. It's all ready to accept those things. The other thing that I would recommend doing is on your account here, I would go label that account. So we can do that by going up here. We can go here, and we can go here, and we can go account details. And what we're going to do is we're going to edit the name, and we're just going to put, I would say account number 1. We're going to put Bob's account. There we go. That's my name. And we're not going to show the private key. Oh my gosh. We're going to go ahead and check mark that. Now we'll close that, and at least it's labeled nice. This is not on the Block Explorer, mind you. When you see those names that are on the Block Explorer, this is not on that. This is just for your reference. Actually, when you load this wallet into a new computer, these accounts will all disappear and it'll say account 1 again. So this is just so you have a nice tidy way of looking at your account. Anyway, this is your hot wallet. This is the wallet that you're going to be using to connect to dApps, connect to websites, doing swaps and other kinds of stuff that you're going to be doing around the interweb. This is one of the most important things that you will set up in your crypto journey. Do not screw this up. Do not record your passphrase. Do not give your passphrase out. This wallet is what we are going to literally use for everything. Here is your wallet address. This address is public. Anybody on the blockchain can see this address. Anybody can go look at this. This is like a public bank account, but that's what crypto is. It's a public bank account of your crypto. This is the address that you're going to be giving to everybody if you want to receive crypto. If you want to send crypto, you're going to go to your MetaMask wallet right here and click send. Where you would normally paste an address of the receiver's name, you would paste it here. This is our address, so obviously we don't want to send to our own account, but that's where you would paste an address to do a send. It is that simple. But that is where you get all your MetaMask stuff for the basics. We will go into detail more on how to use MetaMask in later videos and in other tutorials that we're going to walk through. But that is how simple it is to set up a MetaMask wallet. Hopefully you guys understood that. The only last thing that I'm going to note here is this is the second MetaMask wallet that I'm actually running on this computer on Chrome. And you can do this by changing your Chrome account. You know that you can set up multiple profiles, each profile with its own email address. You can add a new wallet to each one of those profiles and each one of those email addresses. So I can do that with any email address that I have on any new Chrome instance, any new profile. I can be running multiple different wallets on those things. So hopefully you guys found this video informational. Thank you for dropping by. If you want more videos just like this one, go ahead and go to nickblacknext.com and sign up for the show, or go ahead and sign up for our email list. You're going to get all these tech tips and more when you sign up. Thank you for dropping by this video. We'll see you in the next one.